So I was curious and decided to try out one of those non-stick paint pans. And so the paint has dried. This was latex paint. And I just want to see how easy it is to clean up, if this is truly reusable and if it's easy to do. So I've never done this before, but the picture shows that you're just peeling up the paint. So I'm going to take a look at that, and so far it actually looks like it's going to work. Oh, this is pretty interesting. So I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to do this, since I've never done it before. I figured if I can get it all into like a bigger strip, it would be better. Maybe I should try coming out this other side from the deep side first. See how that works. Okay, so I got a hold of it. Now look at that. So it's actually coming up quite quickly on that end. Huh. Okay, so I'm just going to keep working on it here. And then when you get to here, it starts getting a little bit more tricky, it looks like. Let's see if I can. These little corners right here are keeping it from coming up. Trying to get it to where I've got it all at once, so it's less likely to not come up. Let's see. So that comes out like that. So it was kind of nice at the deep spot, but this spot, it takes a little bit more time to get it off, but it's not horrible. And it's just peeling up with my fingernails, and I'm going slow because I don't want to scratch it, making it harder in the future to do this. But I'm sure I could have gone a little bit faster of a pace next time. Like that. Like that. Alright, so what I did is just put a little bit of water in here. I just want to see how this works with a little bit of water, if it will just clean right up. I'm just using a little bit of pressure with my fingernail and the paper towel. Mostly on the edges is where it tends to stick, it seems like. Alright, and I think that's good. So you can see this does work. You just have to be willing to take a few minutes to clean it out, but then that means you don't have to keep throwing out plastic pans. You can just reuse this one, maybe have a few on hand, so when you're doing multiple projects at once, you can have time to let it dry and then peel it up, clean it out. But that's it. It's good as new.